what we're going to do right now is I'm going to demonstrate how to create a color palette with the highlight, the base, and the shadow. Okay. So the base color for the hair is this green. We'll start with that one. If the green is anywhere on this drawing space, I can select my color editor. Okay. And if you look at, I can access it here. And then there's also a little thing on the side that may not be on your example. So I can access it here, the little dot of color, and then I can toggle between the Copic markers or just the basic color wheel. Okay. But whenever I go to the basic color wheel, you're going to see that there is a eyedropper. If I select the eyedropper, this comes up and I can drag it. And now it has changed. It's like I can grab that color. So I'm going to take just like a regular paintbrush and, oops, turn that off, and then just do like a color swatch. You might say, well, why do I have to do that if it's going to be on there? It just makes it easier. Okay. And so now I'm going to get the eyedropper and choose my base, get my base color for the costume. And then again, get the eyedropper and get the base color for the skin. If you're trying to choose a skin tone, if you click this and switch it back to the Copic markers, there are so many different colors. If you choose the brown, there's these, and there's also a darker. Okay. So I really like that they have a lot of options. And even if you say I chose that option, I can still go to my color wheel and still lighten it or darken it, or so there's like, I don't want to say there's an endless number of possibilities, but there's a good chance that you will find the color skin tone that either matches you or what you would like for your character. All right. And now I'm going to choose the color for the fire. So what you can see right now is that we have, and I know that I'm going to have other colors in here, but I just want to start off with these four. So these are the four base colors. We've got skin tone, the fire, the base color for the suit, and then we also have the green hair. The boots and the chest plate I'm going to do at another time. So what I want to do now is create a highlight and a shadow for each color. So since I've already selected yellow, I'm going to click on here, and what's going to show up is the yellow. If I pull this circle higher, you'll notice that it's making, you can see the two colors next to each other. You can see that it's a lighter yellow. And then I can come over here and add. Now it's a slight change, which can be good. Sometimes you don't always need it to be so dramatic. And then I'm going to toggle back and get the base color again. And I am going to pull it down to make it darker. Now, I'm not sure that I like that color, because what it is it's the base color mixed with black. And that may not be, necessarily what I want. I can also pull it this way and just what I might do. Okay. So there, you can get a lot of variations for this. So, I mean, you can actually see that I have 4 values for the yellow now. Okay. But minimum is my expectation is at least 3. All right. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the red. I'm going to take the red and pull this circle up higher, and then you can see that it's lightening it and making the highlight of it. And I don't want you to worry, like I'm not actually drawing on the same layer with my character, because it's all what do you call it? It is all on different layers. Okay. And again, get the eyedropper. Oops. Pulling it down, and then okay. All right. See, you can see that it's all on, they're all on different layers. Okay. Get my eyedropper and do that with green. Highlight. It can actually get darker than that too. You want a dramatic one. Okay. And then there with the skin tone, the highlight, and then go back to my base color, and then I'm going to pull that down here. All right. And that's how you create your color palette with your base color, highlight, and your shadow.